Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find unique length 3 palindromic subsequence. So you will be given a string and all you have to return the unique palindromes of length 3 that are subsequence of S. Okay. So for example, this one is our test case. Okay. And I'm gonna paste it here. Now what the problem says, we have to return the number of unique palindromes. Okay, so what is palindrome? Palindrome is like if you write a string, so if you have a look, a palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. Okay, so if you read it forward and backward, it should be the same. Okay, for example, A, B, C, B, A. This one is also palindrome, but the problem statement says like you have to find length of 3 palindromes. Okay, so the palindrome length should be 3. Okay, now here if you find how many palindromes are there in our current test case. Okay, so if you have a look, A, and A is one palindrome, right? So A. Then ABA is one more palindrome. Then ACA, another palindrome. Okay, so these are 3 palindromes with a length of 3, and the palindromes should be unique palindromes, right? Means, mm, note that even if there are multiple ways to obtain the same subsequence, there still be only count once. Means the palindrome should be the unique one. For example, if you have a look, if you if you count from here again, A B A, we can make another one, but A B A already there, right? So the palindrome should be unique as well. Now, how can you count it? So the brute force approach is we will run 3 loops I, J, and K. So we will be we will be increasing the value of K, and we will be keep like for example here A B. We will be checking. Okay, is this one is palindrome? No. Then we'll increase the value of K. So K will go there. Then it is not again. When K will go there, then A will be a palindrome. Okay. And for 3 length of palindrome, the easiest way to find it out, like for A, B, A, or any numbers. So what will be the easiest way? Just make sure the first and last number are same. That's it. Doesn't matter the middle number, what the middle number is. That's the easiest way to like know is this character is this string is a palindrome string. Okay. Yeah, and so this is the like a brute force approach, and if you get a string, you will take a hash map and push it inside of the hash map. So I hope everyone will uh, everyone can solve this problem with the brute force approach. Now, what I wanna do, like I wanna show you the optimum approach. So if you do in brute force approach, you'll get TLA as the constraint, and the length of string will be 10 to the power 5. So what will be the optimal approach? Optimal approach is, so the problem, if you have a look, problem statement says we have to find 3 lengths. Okay, 3 lengths palindrome means first character and last character should be same. Okay, so if we look through all the characters and store the first character of this and the last character of this, for example, first is 0 and last character of A is 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. If we know the first and last, then we'll store all the values till first to last, all the unique values. So for storing unique values, we can use hash set. So hash set, right? So if we store all the values, for example, the first character of A is 0, and last we'll found it, or begin and end, we can say, and is 4. So we can say unique characters from 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, which will be 1 till 4. 4 will be 3. Okay, so how many unique numbers we have? A, B, C. We have 3 A, B, C. Okay, 3 numbers. So that means if we know how many unique number we have between the same numbers, we can say we can generate that many of unique palindrome characters, right? That's easy, right? For example, the um, C, Q, B, C, D, M. Okay, now the the begin of C is 0 and the end of C is 3. Okay, now how many unique numbers are there? 2. So we can say we can generate 2 unique palindromes here. One is CQC, another one is CVC. That's it. Now, if there are C here, so how the 2C here? Okay. Now, how many unique number we can generate? So, okay, how many unique number? How many unique number we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C here is duplicate, so we have only 5. How many unique palindrome we can generate? 5 unique palindrome we can generate. Again, uh, for example, there is one V here. So this one and this one, how many unique character we can generate? How many unique palindrome we can generate? 2 unique palindrome we can generate. Now, how can we store first and last? So we can just take vector array of 26 space, and initial value will be 0 or -1. Okay, so begin and end, and it will be keep storing. For and it will be keep storing the index value, right? So if I generate the code here, what I'll be saying, like I'll be creating vector character instead of character, what I can say, integer value. I can say begin, how many? 26. So begin, I'll be storing mine as a minus. Then I can say end, and 26, 0. Okay. So I'll be saying for each index, what is the begin, when it is start and when it is end. Okay. And then response, initial value will be 0, return response. Okay. Now, at first, we'll be, what I'll be doing? Yeah. At first, we need begin and end, right? So I'll be saying for int I is equal to 0, I less than string dot size, I plus plus. I'll be saying my current index will be, so how can you get the index? S of I, the character, minus, yeah, that's it. We'll get the index. Means if the character is like, for example, if character is B, so B minus A, it will return you the we are using the ASCII value, right? So now it will return what? 1. Okay, 1, 1. And for A minus A, it will return 0, like this. So now And if you have a look at the constraint, S contains only lowercase English letters, so all characters will be lowercase. Okay. Now here what we can do, we got current index. We can say if begin of current index is equal to -1. If it is equal to -1, then begin of current index will be I. Otherwise, no need to change the begin. And end of current index is equal to always I. Okay. So it's keep updating and it's keep tracking the end value. That's it. Now we got our response. I'll be saying for int I equal to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus, and I'll be saying if my begin of idx is less than, then here I'll be saying instead of -1 I'll be saying int max. Okay. So if begin of idx less than end of idx, what is idx? Not idx. End of I, then a response plus equal to, I'll be storing set of characters. So I'll be storing all the value or like another set of characters, or yeah, another set I can say. Another set. We are storing all the another set here. This will be as that begin plus begin of I plus 1. We are skipping the first one till as that begin plus end of I means we are gonna get the end index, right? So okay, we have to take the size. We are not like we can't directly add the value of another set, right? So we need the size of unique numbers, and it is accepted. If we submit this one, it's accepted, guys. Thank you so much.